In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Binance without using Google Authentication, and it's quick and easy. Logging into Binance can sometimes require different methods, especially if you found yourself in a situation where Google Authenticator is not available. So let's walk through how you can access your account smoothly without it. First off, you'll want to head over to the Binance login page. This is the starting point where you'll need to enter your username and password as you would for any typical login. It's crucial to ensure your credentials are correct to avoid any unnecessary trouble at this stage. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, you'll be directed to the two-factor authentication or 2FA screen. Here's where you might usually input a Google Authenticator code. But wait, don't worry if it's not an option for you today. Look closely for an option that says Security Verification Unavailable. This is the link we'll need to proceed with. After tapping on Security Verification Unavailable, you'll see a new set of options appear. Here, you'll need to choose Google Authenticator Not Available. This selection is essential as it tells Binance that you wish to access your account through alternative verification methods. Now, this is where you'll be given the option to verify your identity either via SMS or email. Choose the method that's most convenient and accessible to you. For instance, if you currently have access to your email, choose email verification. Alternatively, if you have your phone handy and can receive messages, go for the SMS option. Binance will send you a code through your chosen method, which you will then input to verify your identity. Once you have successfully verified your identity with either the SMS code or the email link, you'll be guided through a series of prompts to reset your two-factor authentication. It's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your 2FA is reset without any issues, allowing you seamless access back to your account. By the end of this process, you should be able to access your Binance account without any troubles, even without Google Authentication. This workaround is super helpful in situations where your Authenticator app is not available for any reason. Remember, it's always essential to keep your account secure, so consider setting up a new method of authentication later to maintain the security integrity of your personal details. So, there you have it. You've now learned how to log into Binance without Google Authentication in just a few easy steps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips like this one.